Before you know his name, know his work. He built a life one piece at a time. New Year call. Cyrus finally opens the vault. Guyana, Georgetown raised him, a tenement yard of stilted cottages and tight pockets. Some days, he had one plate of food, so nothing got wasted. By kerosene lamp, he studied, even when the night felt heavy. In the shop, he learned patience, then he learned precision. No pay at first, then pennies, then hands that mastered finishing. At 19, he went into the interior, chasing gold and a way out. Rivers, steep trails, and predators nearby, he kept moving anyway. He chose steady work, riding 3 miles each way to the radio towers at dawn, every day. 1978, he tried to leave. The border shut the door. He walked back without papers, but he did not break. His craft traveled first to Barbados, then his hands followed. In Barbuda, he built homes from bare frames to shelter. In Antigua, Rene backed his work, and the papers came through. In America, life was not magic. It was long hours and clean work. He traveled worldwide to install frames, leaving work that stayed put. When they asked why he was here, he answered with dignity. Remember him like this: honest hands, strong will, and hope that endures.